Hi guys, my name is Velusamy. I am working as a state government employee in Tamil Nadu. I am a student of LAKSHYA Batch 3 conducted by Rahul sir. I want to say something about this course and Rahul sir. I already attended 2 courses before attending the Rahul sir course, but after attending the Rahul sir course only, I found that what are the mistakes I did in past. The way of Rahul sir teaching is something different from others. Because why I am saying this, he never use he always take classes in simple language. He never be complicated. Even if you are new to stock market, you can easily identify that what he is coming to say. And the way of looking chart is something different from the others. Without drawing a single line, you can easily identify the entry point. The main thing is that multi-time frame analysis, how to analyze the monthly chart, weekly chart and daily chart, on how to identify the patterns, how to identify the structure, how to identify the support zones, after identify the structure, after identify the patterns, where is the entry point, after getting entry point, what is that, what are the targets for that entry point, how many targets for the entry point, and stop loss for that pattern. Everything we come to know that. And especially without drawing a single line, you can identify the what is the entry point in his course. That is his main special. And what is psychology of the stock market, everything we come to know that. I strongly recommend to all the members to join next batch. Definitely this course will change your life. Thank you guys.